Hey crew, Arturo Spraypainting here. I'm doing a short video just to kind of show you guys my latest painting. This is called Secret Path, and it's a very vibrant painting. I love the colors of it. I don't think the pictures do it justice, but I also want to show you guys how hard it is to take a picture of one of these paintings when it's dry. Right now it's not dry. It's still a little glossy. It's still a little wet. But let me show you how hard it is, how glossy these paintings are. I mean, you can see it here on the side. So whenever we take a picture of it, guys, we have to have 3 different lights to kind of cancel each other out and be able to get the colors. So I know the pictures don't usually do it justice. I'm hoping that here on the video you guys can capture some of those colors. Look at that, it just looks like you're walking into the painting. And that's the idea. I mean, that's what you want to do with your painting, right? You want your viewers to feel like they can walk in there and explore. I also want to take this opportunity, guys, to thank you guys for all the wonderful comments and questions. The shirts are doing phenomenally. Thank you guys very much. Unfortunately, we ran out of the professional series jerseys. That I know they were a little expensive, guys, but they were motocross material, and they were made by an actual motocross company. So you know what, if you guys stay tuned, maybe we'll bring them back. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Once again, thank you guys for all your wonderful comments and questions. And I'll see if I can take a better picture of this one and repost it, only because I think the colors are very vibrant. They're just a little hard to capture sometimes on the pictures. All right, crew. Until next time. Oh, we do have a tutorial coming up here pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. Unfortunately, it will not be a tutorial on this. I did not record myself painting this one, but the next one we will, so stay tuned for that. All right, crew, until next time, keep those cans shaking, and talk to you guys soon. Bye.